Hello and welcome to Tiagi. I'm Christopher and this is a theme park guide. Our very first episode of guides coming here on Tiagi. This video is aimed at new roller coaster and theme park fans around the world, but if you're not new to the hobby, please feel free to stay, but comment down below on what we missed. The idea of this video is to list the best websites where you can find information about roller coasters, dark rides, attractions and amusement parks. We will also talk about the best way to count how many roller coasters you have been on and how many theme parks you have visited and where in the world. For a lot of enthusiasts, this comes naturally, and it's very simple to find your information and how to count how many rides you've been on. But if you're new to the game, maybe you don't know and maybe you want to get in on it, I will list the channels and websites that I use to find information. I will also link all of them down in the description, so be sure to check them out. I will also give you some ideas on how to get into the community and find more people like yourself. Rollercoaster Database, the most basic and probably most famous website on this video. At rcdb.com you can find everything on any roller coaster around the world. For example, height, manufacturer, speed, opening year, closing year, where did it move to, whatever you need to know is on this website, and the team behind RCDB is doing a great job. One story that you can find on rcdb.com is about a roller coaster in my home park, Liseberg, here in Gothenburg. Hangover was supposed to open in the summer season of 1996. That did not happen because they had problems. So Vekoma and Liseberg had to work on the ride for another year to open by the summer of 1997. This roller coaster was later on closed. It was then sold off to a park, magazined in a storage, sold to another park, and is now alive as Triops in the French park Bagatelle. Another really famous website, maybe more famous than the first one when I think about it, is coastercount.com. At coastercount.com you can create a profile and count all the roller coasters you've been on. It will also help you count the theme parks in what countries and what continents. With the help of Coaster Count, I know that I have ridden 74 roller coasters around the world. It's not that many, I know. If you look at the enthusiast, I'm like a baby for this. With the help of Coaster Count, I know how many rides I've ridden. So visit Coaster Count and set up your profile. Remember that they do not accept cheating whatsoever. If you cheat, your profile will be banned faster than Formula Rossa accelerates to 250 kilometers per hour. Theme parks. This is the next one on the list. Go to Themeparx with an X.com to find every construction update you will ever need. They have construction pictures, they have threads, they have planning, they have everything. Go to this site to find everything that you need. New roller coasters, new parks, new lands, whatever you need, it's on Themeparx.com. Dark Ride Database, much like Rollercoaster Database, but for dark rides instead. I remember when this website was released and I thought to myself, why didn't I think of that? This is brilliant and this was super much needed. This was missing in the theme park world. The only thing that this website is missing is like Coaster Count. They should have a dark ride count so we can keep track of all the rides we've ridden around the world. So visit darkridedatabase.com. Screamscape.com is another super good website for news and updates in your park. And I'm not joking, all of the parks around the world. The team over at Screamscape are super fast to publish news, updates and whatever you need according to your park. And it's not only about roller coasters, it's about dark rides, thrill rides, hotels or whatever construction your park is up to. If you are curious of what's happening in your home park or what's up for the future, visit Screamscape.com. If the information is there, it's gonna happen. If it's not, probably not happening yet. So how to get into the community and meet friends with the same interest as you? Join a club. There are several clubs out there with enthusiasts much like yourself. There is people who knows less than you. There is people who knows more than you. And there is people who knows everything about every single roller coaster and theme park in the world. You're gonna find friends that maybe have ridden 5 roller coasters and are brand new to this, or you will find people who have ridden over 2,500 roller coasters. In my experience, everyone is super welcoming and they really enjoy to meet new members. It is also common that these clubs arrange special trips and travels for you as an enthusiast, so you can travel with the club to different theme parks. It is not rare that when you, as a club member, come to a park that you will get the VIP experience. Of course, there are more websites and channels out there, but these are the ones I commonly use, and this is also the ones that I get most tips about from my theme park friends. We really hope that you enjoyed this video and that we maybe helped you a little bit with your new hobby. It would also be super nice of you to press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what you think and what you want to see next. So that concludes episode 1 of our theme park guides here on Thiagi. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next. We have some plans and we are thinking about making something about the new virtual queue at Liseberg. From all of us to all of you, buckle up and enjoy the ride.